Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Solo 3 is physically ready and recognized. Plug in via USB-C or pair Bluetooth, and check the battery is above 50% so firmware won't stall. Next, open your DAW and select Solo 3 as both audio and MIDI device. Choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz for stability. Once done, load the beat track you want to control and arm it for recording or monitoring. Make sure buffer is set to 128 to 256 samples to balance latency and reliability. Now you focus on mapping and routing so Solo 3 actually controls your beats. Use your DAW's MIDI Learn to assign pads and encoders to transport, mute, solo, and essential plugin knobs. This lets you perform without reaching for the mouse. Then route the beat track to an aux send if you want reverb or delay applied independently. Verify the Solo 3 MIDI channel matches the track. Finally, tweak velocity curve and sensitivity so hits translate naturally, and test with a 4-bar loop at the tempo you'll perform. Finish by locking in your setup and running a complete performance check. Save a DAW template that stores mappings, routing, buffer size, and sensitivity so you can jump back in next time. Then run a full pass to confirm latency and stability. If you hear glitches, increase the ASIO buffer a bit and recheck sample rate. If the Solo 3 becomes unresponsive, reboot the unit, reconnect USB, reassign the MIDI channel, and check for firmware updates. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection and mapping errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.